Good afternoon. It is January the 4th, 2017. Time to post our disclaimer. Trading futures involves a great deal of risk. You should only do it with money that you can afford to lose. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations, like an actual performance record. Simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, results may have been under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. That said, let's get into it. This morning we had hoped to buy 50 to 52. We had a question mark at 55. Our first sell was failure to take out and hold the 60 area right here. Grim trading today, folks. Our second sell was 64 to 66. We're in that area. Had absolutely no volatility to do. The trade was to buy the opening and then disappear through the close. The large players continue to support the market. I imagine that's going to be the case. Everybody thinks the Dow is going to 20,000. If it's going to 20,000, the E-mini should trade higher too. So, didn't have a lot to work with today. FOMC minutes may have been the culprit. Lack of news certainly was a factor. Then we have Friday's non-farm payroll numbers. So, not much going on to create the volatility that we need to prosper as day traders. We have days like that. We've had a lot of days like that. Looking at the F1 screen for the E-mini. Higher low, higher high. Find a place to buy it tomorrow and in the overnight session. Looking at the F2 screen. Definitely P's behind us. This says find a place to buy it. News tomorrow, ADP. Plus 172. Jobless claims, 260. PMI services, don't know what the estimate is. Last was 54.6. ISM services, 56.8. Could come in higher than forecast. And gas, I'd expect a pretty big draw, like 200 BCF, minus 237 last week. Don't have the crude estimate. Crude inventories. We'll have the APIs tonight, and that'll do it. The focus will be ISM services, ADP, and I doubt if anybody will pay any attention to jobless claims. We're pretty much where we have been. Sell zone, sell failure to take out 66.50. 69.72 would be sell 2. On the buy side, last rotate down was 63. Maybe look at stops beneath that. So 260, 262 buy 1. 55, 57 buy 2. There are more volatile markets to trade, and until the stock market starts to sell, I imagine that will be the case. Treasuries traded up today, finished where they were yesterday. Basically a sideways day. I imagine Friday's non-farm payroll number is going to hold these markets in check. Higher low, higher high. Got pretty good resistance in this 124, 8 to 12 area. We weren't able to take it out today. I imagine we'll look at a trading range again tomorrow. the FOMC minutes will split out right there. So projecting prices again in our 124.04 to 08 area. The high was 8.5. I want to sell 5s to 9s. 11 to 15, sell 2. On the buy side, 01 to 29 and 21 to 25. Okay, resistance starts at 24 to 28. Selling 31s to 03s. We finally got there today in K period. Only way you could have executed was with a resting limit order sell. And 11 to 15 for sell 2. On the buy side, we got this high volume area down here. We'll make 1, 12 to 16. 5 to 9 by 1. 25, 29 by 2. Looking at gold. Higher low, higher high. We can find a place to buy it. Pretty stout resistance, 1175. Pretty good support, 1150 as it stands right now. That's a weird shape profile. Pretty balanced if you look at it from a volume standpoint. TPO-wise, it's leaning P in the congestion area, but balanced as far as volume goes. So we'll make it a D. Implies a trading range. 68 to 70 is sell 1. Where we were this morning. 74 to 76, sell 2. Looking for a trading range day. 60, 62. Got down there in L period. We thought we were going to get that before lunch started. It took forever. It took L period to get there. FOMC minutes. And 55, 57 for buy 2. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? That's what happens in a trading range market. A little higher, a little lower, basically sideways. Requires a different trading style, buying and selling the opening, buying or selling your levels, then disappearing for several hours to make money. Okay, we'll have the APIs out tonight at 16:30 Eastern. I missed last week's. I don't know if we built. We had a small build, 600,000 barrels in crude. I don't know what the APIs did. Lower high, lower low. Find a place to sell it. This is countered by our F2 screen, so we'll make 53.25, 53.50, sell 1. 53.75, 54, sell 2. We had a resting limit sell. We said sell 35s to 39s, just based on structure, leaning against that high with a little bit of room. On the buy side, 50, 52.50, 52.75 buy 1. 52 even, 52 and a quarter buy 2. Currency's had a pretty good day today. Euro higher low, higher high, could be bought. My guess is it's a sell still. Okay, we rejected prices against 105.25, so didn't spend a lot of time up there. So 515, 525, sell one. 540, 550, sell two. On the buy side, 104.75, buy one. 104.50, buy two. And that's it for this January the 4th, 2017. Didn't have a lot to work with today. Hopefully, my guess is tomorrow will probably be the same because of Friday's non-farm payroll numbers. I'm headed back to the couch. I will see you all bright and early in the morning. Y'all have a great evening. I'm out of here.